Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plants. Today I'm going to be planning the month of October in my B6. I'm going to be using this kit from my newest addiction. This is the B6 foil format kit. I just really like her format. It's not like a lot of stickers, but I don't usually need like that many stickers to get going in my B6. So in here is the extra clear foil sheet that it comes with, which is super nice because that also means you could save this for other spreads as well. I also have pulled out some washi from the Simply Gilded presale, this Dusty Rose and this Olive Green in rose gold foil as well. And then I also have my monthly insert, and this is a blank undated insert from 1407 Planners. And let's see. I love the format of this, but I find the paper really difficult to sticker on, but I want to, I want to use it up and stuff. So I have my undo handy to save the day if needed, but my ultimate goal is to make it through one of these without having to like use half a bottle of undo. But anyway, this is just what the blank one looks like, and I am going to go ahead and jump in. And that 100% did not happen. This is my second attempt, and once again I had to glue 2 pages together because I could not save the page from trying to get the sticker off even with undo, which is my frustration with this. But at this rate, since it takes me like 2 pages to do a month, I am gonna burn through this pretty quickly. So anyway, I am using this beautiful kit from my newest addiction, and I just decided, oh, and it comes with like clear stickers with the days so that you can do a Sunday start or a Monday start. So I usually do a Monday start when I have the option, although it's not like a super strong preference for me. So I just laid those down, and then I'm gonna do the date dots as well. So this, like, to me feels like a pretty busy month. We have 2 sets of visitors coming, like various grandparents, but like when I go to like lay down the stickers, I realize like even my busy months aren't really all that busy. I just like never have that super much to mark like right at the beginning of the month. I do add stuff in throughout the month, but only like certain things because I'm like in my weekly then at that point. But anyway, on the 2nd, I don't mark videos in here, but I have a very special Harry Potter collab plan with me coming out, which actually will have already come out by the time that this video goes up. So that it was super exciting. So I did mark that, and as well there is no school on this Tuesday. So I just wanted to mark that in as well, and that's actually like our last no school day for a really long time. So then on the 11th, my parents are getting here, so they're staying for a little visit, and I'm just using this like little skinny bow washi from the Neutral collection to mark out their visit, and then I will pair that with like one of the labels from the kit to sort of write it in. Really excited for that. We haven't seen them since we left for the beach this summer, so yeah, that's really exciting. And my mom and dad are actually coming together, which if you've been a longtime viewer of this channel, you will know that that's a pretty typical thing. Despite the fact that my parents are divorced, they often decide to come at the same time. So, which is fine. And they get along super well, and they stay in the house together and everything. Anyway, then on the 16th, I wanted to mark down that it was picture day at school. At least I'm pretty sure it is. So I used a little flag for that. And then my mother-in-law is coming in on the 21st as well for a visit as well. So that should be super fun. So like I said, we have all the grandparents sort of visiting this month because everybody's like, ooh, didn't get, it's starting to be like, oh, summer was so long ago, I want to see the kids again, which is really nice. I'm glad that they're both going to be able to do that. And my mother-in-law hasn't been here in a kind of a while, so that should be really fun. And we also have a Halloween party that Sunday. So I am going to put the balloons down for that. That's just like with some of our like little kiddo friends Halloween party. Then as well, on the 26th, we have like a sort of doctor's appointment to get the kids the flu shots. My son already had the first half of his, but he needs to get the second half, and my daughter can get her flu shot at the same time. And then as well, the library is closed that day, so I just wanted to mark that in. And then I am putting in my paydays for both myself and my husband. I am back at work and getting paydays, so putting those in, we don't have the same paydays. And then just finishing this whole thing up with some washi, and then I'm gonna run like a sort of sideways washi banner along the side there, and I wanted to put that November at a glance sticker there as well because I have that. But that is really everything for this month for this plan with me. Like I said, like these videos take like 2 seconds to do just because we just don't have like a lot of advanced plans. Our plans are pretty much like, you know, work and chill with the kids. We don't really go that many places. So we do have some visitors, but yeah. Anyway, super quick plan with me. I'm going to pop this back in and get it all filled out, and I will be right back. Okay, that is everything all filled out. I think this looks really cute. It's like always seems like my month is so busy, and then when I put it down, it's like doesn't really look like that much. I mean, I go back in throughout the month and add like a little bit of stuff in, but it's just nice to have like an overview. I feel like I had so many like stacked day things, which almost never happens. But anyway, I do think this looks super cute, and I did grab this Blush Bow Boutique bow that was in my setup, and actually it matches this perfectly. I did all of my writing in this pen, which was from a Happy Scrappy sub box. I think it's from the April box, but it's like actually one of my favorite pens. When it runs out of ink, I'm definitely going to be really sad about that. But anyway, quick one today. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!